Hello everyone. Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel IELTS platform. I am Kunjan Jain and I am here again to share writing task 1 for academic coaching with you. So we shall be discussing a graph today. Let us see what a graph holds for us. Okay, so this is writing task 1 as I mentioned you earlier. This is for academic students, means the ones who want to study abroad. So they have to attempt a graph in their writing section. They are given 20 minutes time to write the task and you can write at least 150 words to a maximum of 180 words. So let us see which graph are we going to discuss today. We are going to have a table graph today. So let us see how the statement for table graph goes. So this is how the statement for a table graph is written. You should spend about 20 minutes on this task, as I mentioned you already. Now let us see how is the question statement written to you. The table shows the worldwide market share of the mobile phone market for manufacturers in the years 2005 and 2006. Means there is a table which is showing you the market share of various mobile companies for 2 years 2005 and 2006. Okay, now what do they want? Of course, when you are writing a report, when you are discussing a graph, when you are describing a graph, you have to summarize the information, you have to make comparisons, you have to make contrasts and you have to present a report. That is what they have written. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features, means all the highlights that you see, and make comparisons where relevant. What are comparisons? Comparisons are the highs and lows, maximums and minimums which are depicted in graph. That is the tendency of graph, that is the nature of graph. Okay, so we are going to have a numeric graph, table graph today. So let us see what is our graph today about. As we discussed, the graph is about mobile phone share of market in year 2005 and 2006. So that is what the graph shows. See, there are several companies: Nokia, Motorola, Samsung, Sony Ericsson, LG, BenQ Mobile and some others, and then total is given and their market share in year 2005 and 2006 is given. So let us see what is the 2005 and 2006 share of different mobile companies. We shall move on to the previous slide, which shows the market share of the companies. That is 32.5% share of Nokia in 2005, and as we can see, it increased. That is what increased. That is a comparison, or that is a feature that we are going to mention, that there is an increase in 2006 to 35%. Or what we can see is Nokia has the highest market share in both years 2005 and 2006 with an overall increase in year 2006. Next we move on to the next brand, which is Motorola. Motorola share is 17.7%. Its share also increased to 21.1%. Next brand is Samsung. Its share has declined. Its share was 12.7% in 2005, which declined to 11.8% in 2006. Next brand is Sony Ericsson. Its share again increased from 6.3% to 7.4% in 2006. Next brand LG, it has a slight fall in its share from 6.3% in 2005, from 6.7% in 2005 to 6.3% in 2006. Next is a brand named BenQ Mobile. Its share was 4.9%, which decreased to almost half, as you can see, 2.4% in 2006. And last, there are some other brands, miscellaneous brands. They also had a total downfall of share from 2005 to 2006, from 19.2% to 16.2%, right? So all these comparisons that I have mentioned to you will be mention will be written in the form of report. It is better that you first of all analyze all these trends, of course, all these trends prior to starting writing your graph. You can mention slightly with the pencil that what are the trends that will help you while writing your graph, and your graph will be completed in lesser time if you pay more attention towards reading it properly before starting writing it immediately, right? So let us see how do we write the graph. First of all comes the introduction. What is the introduction? You were given a question. Let us move on to the question slide once again. Yes. So the question was, the table shows the worldwide market share of the mobile phone market for manufacturers in the years 2005 and 2006, right? So just keep looking at the statement and how do we change it? We shall use the synonyms. For example, for table we can write tabular representation, right? For shows we can write demonstrates. For worldwide we can write global. For share we can write dominance. For mobile phone we can write cellular phone, right? Manufacturers we can write productions. So let us see how I have written the introduction to the graph. Yes. So what I have written, the given tabular representation. When you are writing your answer, you are not going to draw the graph on front or below of your answer. So what you can write, given means the graph which was given to you, right? The given tabular representation. Tabular representation is the word for table or table chart. Demonstrates. Demonstrates is the word for shows. What does it show? Global market dominance. Global is the synonym for worldwide and dominance is the synonym for share of the cellular phone market. Cellular means mobile phone market. For the productions, the word was manufacturers in the years 2005 and 2006. Very simple. All we have got to do is just rephrase, means use the synonyms for introduction and write down our question statement once again. Just fill in with the synonyms and copy the statement, right? So with this your introduction is complete. After that you leave one line and start with your body paragraph 1. So let us see. Okay, in the body paragraph, what do? We see what is the overall trend, right, in the graph, and with that we write that first. So here, overall analysis of the graph reveals, means if we see the graph overall, what we can see, that Nokia remains to be the market leader with maximum share in both the years, right? It was very clear to us. We had seen that the share of Nokia was maximum. So that is what we have written, that Nokia remains to be the market leader with maximum share in both the years, right? Now, next, observing further. Now we saw the share of Motorola. What was the share of Motorola? Motorola managed to fetch more market share of 21.1% in the successive year. What are they saying? What have we written? That there was more market share that Motorola had in the successive, means in the next, which was the next year, or which can be the next year to 2005, 2006, right? So there was more market share of Motorola, and how much was that? 21.1% in the successive year, means in year 2006, as compared, now we have done a comparison. What is the comparison? To 17.7% of year 2005. In year 2005, the share was 17.7% and the share increased to 21.1% in year 2006, which we have written here, right? Now, visualizing ahead means if we look further, what we can see? There was slight fall in the market dominance of the brand Samsung. Means this brand Samsung had more market share in year 2005 as compared to year 2006. It had 12.7% share in 2005. It had more market dominance in year 2005, which decreased to 11.1% in 2006. So it had slight fall. Fall means decrease, slight means little bit, right? The other cellular company to witness decline in its market share. Decline again means decrease. So one company which had fall in market share, which had decrease in market share was Samsung. The next company to have a decrease or decline in market share was LG. What was its market share in 2005? It was 6.7% and it decreased to 6.3% in 2006. Moving ahead means if we move further in our graph, what we can see? Sony Ericsson managed to grab a bigger share of market in year 2006 with 1.1% increase overall. Means whatever its share was in 2005, it increased by 1.1% in year 2006. Okay, now next in the line was BenQ Mobile, right? And its share decreased. So what word I have written for the word decreased? Diminished. The share of BenQ Mobile diminished to nearly half in year 2006. I told you that it has decreased to half while discussing the graph. That is what I have written. The share of BenQ Mobile diminished to nearly half in year 2006 to 2.4%. Means how much it was? 2.4% in year 2006 in comparison to 4.9% of 2005. How much was the share in 2005? 4.9%, and it came to just 2.4%, means approximately half in the year 2006. Now discussing about other brands. So other brands, then there is a comma, 2, again a comma, had an overall decrease of market share. Means they also had decrease, they also had a decline in their market share. And what was that? It was 19.2% in 2005 and it decreased to 16.2% in 2006, right? So that is how we write a graph. It is very simple to write a report about a graph, and you can very easily write it provided you pay proper attention to all the trends that are mentioned in graph, and instead of just stepping or jumping to writing, you pay just 5 minutes to the graph, analyze all the trends, mark them and then start writing. Thank you.